This is DAB pumps. How do you reset your faults and warnings on an EsyBox Mini 3? First, you hold down the mode, set, and up arrow buttons until the TB screen comes up. Then you press and release the mode button until you get to the RF or reset faults and warnings screen. Once you're at this screen, you can note the number of faults and warnings there are to reset. Then you hold the up and down arrow buttons until that number reads 0. Then you can check to see if the faults and warnings have reset by pressing the set button to go back to the main screen, then pressing and releasing the mode button until you get to the FF screen for faults and warnings. As you can see, all the faults and warnings have been cleared. Thank you for watching.